Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time on your Range Rover Sport. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on so the infotainment screen is active. You'll then need to locate the main settings menu on the display. From there, we will guide you through finding the clock options and making the necessary adjustments to set the correct time. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. To begin, make sure your Range Rover Sport's ignition is on, which powers the central display screen. On the main screen, you'll typically find a settings icon, often represented by a gear symbol. Tap this icon to open the primary settings menu. Within this menu, carefully look for options labeled clock, date, and time, or something similar that pertains to time adjustments. This is your gateway to changing the clock. Once you've found the clock settings, you'll likely see an option to set time. Select this. You'll then typically use plus and minus buttons or a similar interface to adjust the hours. After setting the hour, proceed to adjust the minutes using the same method. You might also have the choice between a 12-hour or 24-hour display format, so select your preference before moving on. After making your time adjustments, it's crucial to confirm them. Look for an OK, Save, or Apply button on the screen and tap it to finalize your changes. Double-check the display to ensure the new time is showing accurately. Some Range Rover models offer automatic time synchronization, which can be a convenient feature. If you encounter any difficulties, your vehicle's owner's manual provides specific instructions for your particular model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.